In Learning Objective 5, we alluded to teams just a little bit. Learning Objective 5 here, we're going to try to understand the different types of teams and how you develop them. It's getting to be a large part of business nowadays. People are put together to function as a unit, usually groups of 4 to 10, and they're put together to complete a common goal or a purpose, usually in a certain amount of time. There's different types of teams. The first kind is a problem-solving team. In this case, you're going to put a team of knowledgeable employees brought together to take on a specific problem. For instance, you may have someone from HR, someone from finance, someone from operations, etc. Give them 2 months to solve a specific problem. The second type of team, again, we talked about in Learning Objective 4, is a self-managed work team, where again, you may be tackling either a problem or you may be looking at an opportunity to jump on. In this case, you take a group of people completely, giving them the authority to do their study, give them the resources, the money, and the time they need to do the project. The last type of team is called a cross-functional team. In this case, you've got people completely varying specialties, expertise, and even skills put together for a specific purpose. The last type of team is actually called a virtual team. Most people would understand quickly that means they're going to be working online with tools such as using Skype. They're generally going to be people geographically dispersed around the world, and they just simply are able to communicate electronically. Finally, no matter what type of team you're using, there's usually 5 steps of development of the team. Most of them, the word tells you about that. The first step being forming, where the team comes together, get to know each other. They're told what the project is. The second stage is storming, which simply means everyone on the team throwing their ideas, putting them on the table. The third stage is called norming, where those ideas are went through and you get it down to 2 or 3 ideas that are workable, and then finally make a selection. Step 4 is performing. Once that selection is made and the decision what direction the team is going to go or the company is going to go, you go out and basically put it in action or perform it. Finally, once the project is finished, the company is pleased with it, the last stage is simply adjourning. Again, these roles in a team, such as task specialist, non-participative person, social, emotional deal, there's all kinds of roles within different teams. Again, for the team to be successful, though, the team members have to learn how to handle these different roles and to how to manage conflict so the team can work as a unit to accomplish whatever the goal is.